Sunny Beach House Pattaya is one of the most beautiful seaside cafes in Pattaya, hidden inside a hotel on a stunning cliff overlooking the ocean. From the moment you walk in, you can feel the peaceful atmosphere surrounded by sea breeze, warm sunlight, and the relaxing sound of waves hitting the rocks below. The cafe is designed in a modern beach house style with soft white tones, natural wood furniture, and large open spaces that blend perfectly with the ocean view. Every corner feels bright, cozy, and incredibly relaxing, especially during the afternoon when sunlight shines through the cafe and reflects beautifully across the sea. One of the highlights here is the outdoor seating area along the cliffside. Sitting by the edge of the ocean with endless blue water in front of you creates a feeling of calm that's hard to describe. The gentle wind, the salty sea air, and the peaceful atmosphere make this place perfect for slowing down and enjoying the moment. As the sun begins to set, the entire cafe transforms into a romantic golden atmosphere. The sky slowly changes colors, while soft lights around the cafe start glowing against the evening ocean view. It's the kind of place where you can sit for hours without getting bored. Sunny Beach House Pattaya also offers a variety of coffee, refreshing drinks, desserts, and delicious meals that match the relaxing seaside vibe perfectly. Whether you come for breakfast, afternoon coffee, or sunset dinner, the atmosphere here makes every moment feel special. This cafe is not only about beautiful views, but also about the feeling of escaping from the busy world and enjoying simple peaceful moments beside the sea.